So today we're talking about scatter plots. First of all, we're going to talk about correlation. Positive correlation means you can draw a positive slope through the points that you have. And as x increases, our y is also increasing, so they're both going up. From here we have negative correlation, which means we have a negative slope going through the lines. So as our x increases, our y now decreases. Next we have no correlation, which means the dots are unrelated to each other. There's no way to draw a positive or a negative correlation through the dots. Next, we're going to work on writing a line of best fit. So it's a line that is going to describe the information we are given. Go ahead and pause your video right here and write down these steps. That way you have them to refer back to. So we are going to take our calculators and we're going to follow these steps exactly as they are written without skipping anything. So our first step says to reset our calculator. So second plus 7, 1, 2. From here it should say RAM cleared. Once you have that, we're now going to hit the stat button. It's right here. And you're going to choose option 1. At this point, we're going to enter our x values in L1 and our y values in L2. So we have a table. These are our x values, these are our y values. The test grade depends on how many hours you spent studying. So I'm going to take and I'm going to type these in. 0, enter, 0.25, enter, 0.5, 0.75, 1, oops, sorry, go back to stat, 1. There we go, so 0.75, 1, enter, 1.5, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 5, enter, 7, enter. So now I have them all. I'm going to scroll over to L2, and now I'm going to type in my y values. So we're entering our y values in L2. 29, 32, 35, 38, 40, 47, 54, 66, 79, 89. Also at the bottom, make sure that they line up, otherwise you skipped a number and it'll give you an error. From there, now we're just going to perform the regression. So we're going to hit the stat button again. This time it says calc, so see at the top where it says calc, you're going to scroll over to that. From there, we're going to go option 4 says lin reg, that means linear regression. Then we're going to arrow down to store reg EQ. See where it says it right there? Arrow down to where that's highlighted. From there, now we hit alpha, so the green alpha button, trace, which is right here, enter, enter, enter. From here, it will give us an equation. We're going to take that equation and we're going to write it on our paper. Notice this says y equals ax plus b. We're used to seeing y equals mx plus b. We're going to round to 2 decimal places. So y equals 8.92x plus 32.16. Now we have our equation for this data. That is our line of best fit. So in class, we're going to actually work on plotting these points. So keep this part blank and we'll do that together.